Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. In today's video, I have this 3 BHK flat for sale in Bengaluru. Overall, the flat is spread across 1322 square feet of built up area and has got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 balconies. The flat is located on the 9th floor and facing northeast direction with overlooking main road. All of the major schools and colleges, hospitals, banks and ATMs, public transportation and other important IT tech parks are hardly distance from the project site. This is one of those homes which comes with affordability. The total project is occupied with an area of 2 acres and more than 200 families are already residing in here happily. So folks, this beautiful 3 BHK flat is located nearby Manyata Tech Park and the asking price for this flat is 1 crore 10 lakhs, slightly negotiable. That's it folks from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.